And then bonus tips para sa mga nagdi-DIY especially, try to avoid the holiday season para maiwasan mo yung short staffing issues, and then of course, yung andaming holidays na magkakasunod-sunod, because that will definitely lead up na medyo mas hahaba yung timeline mo. And then of course, there's another thing which is yung timing, to make sure na especially for yung mga plano is mag-apply sa consulate and then they fly a month or 2 months after or 3 months after, and then mag-re-apply agad sa Spain. So make sure na yung timing mo walang mag-expire na documents. And to add dun sa timing itself is make sure din na lahat ng documents mo ay darating by the time of an appointment. So marami kasi na medyo na-overlook nila yung timing for kung kailan darating yung documents. So make sure na always ka na ready with your calendar kung kailan darating yung document mo, and then tsaka ka lang mag-book for BLS appointment, or once na measure mo na yung time na darating lahat yung documents and hindi talaga hahabol dun sa nabook mo na appointment, it's better to rebook. Like, okay na yung 1,175 yung masasayang, or I'm not sure if that's the correct number pala actually, but okay lang na yun yung masayang, yung application or like yung appointment fee. Mas better na yun yung masayang kesa yung buong application mo is mare-reject kasi may kulang ka na main document. For more tips like this, follow me on TikTok or here on wherever you're watching it. So make sure then to join the DIY Guide Spain Digital Nomad Visa group. I will link it down below. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. And thank you so much. And ciao!